Have you ever had pickled radishes? These quick pickled radishes are vibrant and crunchy and tangy. They're delicious on salads and sandwiches and tacos, and they make the best avocado toast ever. Like my other quick pickle recipes, these are refrigerator pickles. That means they're not shelf stable, you have to store them in the fridge. The trade-off for that though is that they're much easier to make than like properly canned pickles. Nothing needs to be sterile, there's no boiling jars or lids, and they're really super quick and easy to make. Let's do it! The first thing you need to do is prep your radishes. So slice the tops and bottoms off and then cut them into thin slices. If you have a mandolin, this will go much faster, but I am clumsy and I like all of my fingers, so I do not have a mandolin. You'll also need to crush a clove of garlic and then use a vegetable peeler to just get about an inch of lemon zest off of one lemon. Stuff the radish slices into a heat-proof glass jar and set that aside. Now it's time to make the brine. Put all of the other ingredients into a small saucepan. Bring that to a boil and stir just until the sugar and the salt dissolve. Then pour that hot brine over the radishes. Put the lid loosely onto the jar, and then when the pickles are cool enough to handle, that's when you'll tighten the jar and stick it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. You can pretty much use these right away, but the flavor is gonna deepen as they sit, so if you can wait 30 minutes to an hour, or even better, if you can make them the night before, that's when the radishes will have marinated in the brine long enough to really have a great flavor. Your pickled radishes will keep for 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge, and just a reminder, these are refrigerator pickles, so don't store them in the pantry. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these super delicious, quick pickled radishes. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!